Today we're going to talk about the Alpinestars Tech-Air race bag. The Alpinestars Tech-Air race bag is intelligent clothing. It works with 2 speed sensors and 1 gyroscope located in the back of the hump. It incorporates a level 2 CE level 2 back protector and is wholly a CE level 2 protective garment. As a race bag, the protector fits into several garments. It fits into leather racing suits, leather sports jackets, textile sports jackets and a casual leather jacket. It's incorporated via 2 zips and some velcro patches to secure the bag. The bag covers the whole of the torso, so it protects the kidneys, the rib cage, your back, shoulders and collarbone. Inside the airbag here are 2 canisters. The 2 canisters will deploy when you're in a field of danger, and the airbag will not deploy below 50 kilometers per hour. If you were to go on a track day, you can use the bag and use 1 canister which will deploy at anything above 50 kilometers an hour on a high side or a low side with tumble. Should you have an accident, you then have another canister which the bag will then inflate. In addition to being a race bag, this bag can be converted into a street bag. In a street bag version, you need 2 canisters which are not charged. You can then change the firmware to make it street related, and that will cover you for head-on collision, rear collision, side impact, low side and high side with tumble above 12 kilometers per hour. The Alpinestars race airbag fits into a multitude of race related garments. It fits into the GP Tech V2 race suit, which is the top of the line race suit that Alpinestars produce. It has large panels, new accordion fitting for around the calf, so it's a very sleek race fitting suit. It has Kevlar panels here for added protection and very big panels of leather for ultimate strength. All garments for the Tech-Air suit incorporate an LED display which denotes the functionality of the garment. In addition to the GP Tech V2 suit is the Alpinestars Missile suit. This is a rather slightly better price suit, but again has the LED. It has the large panels for integrity and safety, accordion panels here for the knees for flexibility and movement on the bike, and also the accordion on the shoulders and around the back of the suit here for flexibility should the bag deploy. Wearing an Alpinestars Tech-Air vest within one of these suits will improve your safety by up to 90% to a conventional leather jacket or suit. For the street wearer, you know, a street rider, Alpinestars produce the Missile leather jacket. The Missile leather jacket incorporates the Tech-Air vest via 2 zips here and 1 fixing point in the back to plug into the vest.
and don't forget to like and subscribe to us for some more stuff from J&S.